I'm going to show you an amazing way to get paid $150 per day from Fiverr for free. Yeah, this is the Fiverr method, but wait. It's not going to sell a gigs. You do not need to provide any skills, or you do not have to sell any gigs. This is a completely different Fiverr method which is easy and free. Just stay with this video till the end. I'm going to show you how you can make $150 or even more or less per day using Fiverr for free. So this is the Make Money Online that I'm going to show you. Just jump back into actions right away. The site as it is, it's fiverr.com. So we are not creating Fiverr gigs here. So how we are going to earning money from this? So we just go over to Fiverr and just scroll down right at the bottom, and you can see that they have in the community sections, they have, we are not going to sell anything, we are not going to create any gigs, so we use their affiliates. So this here it is, simply click on affiliates, it will show something like this. This is the Fiverr affiliate sections. This is a really good way to start earning money, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. So this is so simple, but wait, we are going to show you, I'm going to show you easy way to get lots of traffic to any gigs you want. So simply go over to Fiverr affiliates. If you just scroll down, and you can read through how the process works, how they pay their users, and so on and so forth. But for this, we are interested in how much money can we make from that. So if you just click on commission plan here, there is a commission plan sections, it will show something like this. So in the commission plan sections, they specified how they're going to pay you. So they have two options there. In the Fiverr affiliate program, they have two options, which is Fiverr CPA and Fiverr hybrid. So on Fiverr CPA, you will get like $15 to $150 per cost per action CPA, per a dynamic CPA depending on what service your first time buyer purchases. So if you promote a Fiverr gig and people's go through your link and buy that gigs, you will get up to $150 per gig sale. So this is really interesting. This is a one-time payment, so you are not going to get recurring payment. But in the Fiverr hybrid, you will get $10 upfront and then 10% revenue share for like 12 months. So this is another concept. If you just promote a $500 gigs, in the upfront you will get like $10, that's all. But in the long run, in the 12-month process, these gigs, no matter how much that gigs get sold, you will get 10% of that income from Fiverr. So this is a really good way. This is a really good amount of money you can make, but you do not get many money upfront. You need to wait like year to get payment from that. So I prefer Fiverr CPA. So this is easy, this is one time, and this is all. You just promote a gig and one sale can make you $150 right away instantly. So this is really awesome. So I choose Fiverr CPA. This is the way, any way you like, but the opportunity is limitless. So if you scroll down, you can see that Fiverr Pro services are going to give you $150. So if you just click on Fiverr Pro, it will show all the Fiverr Pro gigs out there. Any categories, all the categories have some pro services like this, and these you sell any pro gigs on Fiverr, any pro Fiverr gigs, you can make $150. So this is really awesome. And if you scroll down more, you can see that other than pro gigs, if you just target on lower ranked gigs like product and design, graphic design, data science, mobile apps, e-commerce, you will get $50 for that. And website building, music videos, web programming, data processing, and like that you get 40, and so on. And you get 30, $25. And at least any gigs you sell on any ranks, beginner, freelancer who's selling their gigs, and you sell that gigs, you will get $15 at least. So this is how the system works. So we are really interested to sell pro gigs. So definitely we are not like, we are like to get $150, right? So this is the sections we use to promote our gigs. So all it is, you need to register as an affiliate there. So all it is just simply go to Fiverr affiliate and click start earning now. So this will show you this simple form. You simply select your account type, name, email address, username, password, country, and hit next, and it will ask you some questions, and you are good to go when you complete that sign up process, and you will become an affiliate. So how we are going to sell that gigs? So to sell that gigs, we are going to head on over to reddit.com. Yes, reddit.com is the greatest platform to sell something like this. So all it takes is simply go over to reddit.com, sign up as a free user. It doesn't need any investment. You simply go over to reddit.com and if search for like I need to buy some service, and it starts something like that related to that gigs. You just whatever gigs you target, you search that terms on Reddit. I search for like SEO services. If you just want to sell SEO service gigs, you just search for I need to buy SEO service. So it will show all the results, recent results. You can sort it, or you can see that people are asking for some gigs from search for some works related to your search, and you target those peoples and reply them using a good manner, and you say that I have a good offer for you. This is the place where you can get your job done, and you will be really satisfied, because I am targeting pro gigs are really professional gigs. These are not like scam or fakes. If people who buys this type of gigs definitely going to get their service 100%, and full professional quality service they will get it from here on the pro service. So it's easy and it's safe to promote pro services, pro Fiverr services. So your customers will be happy and you will get commissions easily. So this is the way. You just register on Reddit and simply promote these pro Fiverr gigs on Reddit and search it like I need to buy something like that, I need to buy something like this, and reply those peoples using your affiliate gig links. And definitely if you work regularly, it's going to adds up, and for every single gigs you sell you will get $150. So you do your calculations how much money you can make per month if you just work regularly. So this is it, guys. If you are liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel, stay with my videos. They are uploaded regularly. So till then, see you in the next video. Stay well and thanks for watching.